Hi everyone, so I'm going to unbox the T adapter for my T ring, and together it will be connected with my camera and my telescope. So this is the T adapter below from Celestron. It will be connected with my T ring, and then it will help me connect my telescope to my Sony a6100 camera. So these three items will be connected together and it will be connected with telescope later. So first I'm going to unmount the kit lens, and then I'll connect the T-ring with my camera. So all these items I have bought from Amazon. Okay, so the T-ring is connected with my camera, and now I have to connect the T adapter with the T-ring. So this is the universal T adapter. So you can see it is perfectly mounted here. So this is from Celestron. So this is not a simple T adapter. It also has the 1.5x Perlo.